This is the second problem 3B of the 2019 Division E Contest 2 of Math Olympiad for grades 4 and 5. So, it says, in the list of numbers 3, 8 to 13, 18, all the way to 98, there are 20 numbers. So, as you can see, there are 20 numbers, and each number after the first is 5 more than the previous number. So that's the pattern over here. All of the numbers are added together to give a sum. What is the units digit of the sum? Okay, so what are we going to do here? Are we just going to write down everything and just do the math? No, that's going to take way too long. But there is a pattern, however. It says that it is 5 more than previous numbers. So 8 is 5 more than 3, 13 is 5 more than 8, and 18 is 5 more than 13, which also means that the number before 98 is 93. So that's the pattern. And we know that all of the numbers are added together and there are 20 numbers. So let's first try to find a pattern. So the first step is to observe a pattern. Now, the pattern given to us is already 5 more than the previous number, but with only that, I don't think we can really use it. But we can expand on that a little. First of all, it's asking for the units digit of the sum. So all we have to really look at is the units digits. So over here it's 3, 8, 3, 8, 3, 8, and I see a pattern. It repeats 3, 8, 3, 8, and 3, 8. So if it repeats 3, 8, 3, 8, 3, 8, notice this is not 38 right here. I'm just trying to write 3, 8 pairs. 3, 8, 3, 8, 3, 8, 3, 8. Added all together, we can first think of these as pairs. Wouldn't you agree? Pairs, because it's like a pair of 3 and 8, and then another pair of 3 and 8, another pair of 3 and 8. And if in total there's 20 numbers, then how many pairs will it be? Well, the number of pairs would equal 20 divided by 2, which equals 10. So we know that there's 10 pairs, and okay, so there's 10 pairs. Now I think I'm going to start setting up an equation over here. 10 pairs, and what is going to be each pair added up? So 3 plus 8 is 11, then another 11, another 11. So it keeps going on like this, and there's 10 pairs that add up to 11. So now there's 11. Well, then what do we do with these two numbers? Well, if it's groups and by groups and we're trying to find the total, what operation do we use? Yes, you got it. Multiplication. So 11 times 10 is equal to 110. So there we have it. That's the answer, right? The answer is 110. Actually, that's not it, because it's asking for just the units digit of the sum. And what's in the units digit? 0. 0. So then the answer would be 0. So just again, in lots of these problems, you do all the math, but you just answer with the wrong answer, even though the numbers are right, because you forgot that you're trying to find just the units digit. So that's what you can't. So that's something you can always remember when you're solving these problems later on in the future. And over here, it was very important for us to expand on the pattern, which is 5 more than the previous number, that we just knew that to look at the units digit and made them up in pairs. So that's like some abstract thinking over there, and I think that this is the really nice part of Math Olympiad, because it really introduces the young mathematician to different types of thinking and logic and math. So yeah, and it's going to help you later on. So thank you for watching this video. Please consider subscribing, commenting, liking, or sharing. So yeah, see you next time.